Hi, my name is Jackson Hubbard, and I'm a rising senior, and I've created a 3D scanning iOS application. Towards the end of the summer, I was approached by a 3D printing startup called Protected that uses 3D scanning technology to create custom fitting athletic braces. The company's founders asked me about the possibility of creating an app that automates their scanning processes in order to help them scale their business across the country. The app's purpose is to guide athletic medicine professionals, such as team doctors and trainers, primarily at the collegiate and professional levels, through how to perform a 3D scan of one of their athletes. The app gathers information about the athlete, as well as their injury, instructs the user on how to perform that type of 3D scan, and then does the actual 3D scan. Next, it uploads all the data to the cloud and enables the user to communicate with the company on the status of each of their orders. Earlier this semester, the app was released to 3 local collegiate athletic programs to start testing, and has already been used to create dozens of scans that have helped many athletes get back on the field both quicker and safer. The app is set to be released all across the country later this summer. The app began in the fall as an independent study where I focused primarily on learning Swift, Objective-C, and Xcode. Over the course of the semester, I developed a minimum viable product that I gave to the company in early December. Then, this spring, I focused on improving the user experience and user interface, as well as adding many new features. I also improved the reliability of the app by adding Firebase storage, as well as the ability to upload scans without an internet connection. Now, a quick tour of the app.
The intent of this app is to allow Protected to scale its 3D printing technology across the country. Previously, the company would have to fly to an out-of-state athlete to perform a scan themselves in order to print a custom-fitting pad for the athlete. However, now with this app, the power of 3D scanning is in the hands of people all across the country. Each of these users can upload their own scans, share them with Protected, and the company can focus on modeling and printing the custom pads. This app is targeted towards athletic medicine professionals, such as trainers and team doctors. Trainers can pre-register athletes and then use Scan Existing Player to speed up the scanning process. For this demo, I'm going to scan a new athlete. The first step of the scanning process is to gather the athlete's information. Besides enabling easy order tracking, knowing information about the athlete's position and his or her injury allows us to create better pads. Next, custom scanning instructions are displayed to ensure the athletic medicine professional knows the proper way to perform the scan. Based upon the user's selection for pad type, these instructions and pictures change to reflect the specific scanning steps for that type of pad. Now, the fun part. Using a camera attachment that brackets onto the back of the iPad, a 3D image is taken. This technology uses an infrared laser that is used to visualize the shape and distance of objects in its path. As you can see, the camera only captures point data that is located within the box displayed on the screen. All the user needs to do is position the camera so the athlete is within the box, and then slowly move around the athlete until the body part of the pad is fully captured. As you can see, users are alerted when they are moving too fast in order to ensure the highest quality scan. Next, a preview of the 3D mesh file is displayed. This screen is fully interactable, so the user can zoom and rotate the mesh file in order to ensure it is a good scan. The user can also click on Color View to view a fully colored mesh file. Based upon the quality of the scan, the user can either proceed to upload the scan or redo it. The app uses Firebase for its backend, so pressing Upload Scan zips the mesh into a folder and uploads the zip file, as well as the athlete information we gathered earlier, to Firebase. Uploading a scan for a new athlete, as well as doing the previously mentioned registering an athlete, adds a player to your roster. As you can see here, Jackson Hubbard is now listed. Likewise, an entry is added to the orders table, along with the current status of the print. Each of these tables send and receive updates to and from Firebase in order to ensure the most up-to-date data is displayed. Wow, it looks like the Protected team has already begun printing our model. We have successfully created an order, provided the athlete's information, and performed a 3D scan in under 2 minutes. With this app and Protected's 3D printing technologies, athletes all across the country will be better protected using the power of 3D scanning and 3D printing. Thank you.
Thank you, and please let me know if you have any questions.